So, instead of this, guys, so ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba siya i-turn into this one. So, kung gusto nyo malaman yung step-by-steps on how to do that, so be sure na tapusin nyo yung video na to hanggang dulo. Hello everyone! This is Dana and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share you on step-by-steps on how to change your add friend button sa Facebook account nyo into a follow button na makikita natin normally sa Instagram account. So instead of this, guys, so ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba siya i-turn into this one. So kung gusto nyo malaman yung step-by-steps on how to do that, so be sure na tapusin nyo yung video na to hanggang dulo. But before that, before we start the video tutorial, be sure na nakapag-subscribe ka na sa channel ko by clicking the subscribe button at isama mo na rin yung bell icon for more updated video tutorials. So, without further ado, huwag na natin siyang patagalin and let's go na sa aking cellphone screen and let's start! So, andito na tayo sa aking cellphone screen. So, start na natin. I-click nyo yung Facebook apps nyo. And then, go to your profile. So, nandito tayo sa aking profile. And then, click nyo tong tatlong layer dito sa part na to. So, click yan. And then, click nyo yung profile nyo. And then, makikita nyo dito sa profile ko, ang nakalagay is add to story. Or add as friend yan kung isa. So, gagawin natin ngayon is gagawin nating follow na lang yung nakalagay dito. So, let's start. Click nyo yung tatlong dot dito sa side. And then, click view privacy shortcuts. So, dito nasa privacy tayo, and then click natin yung see more privacy settings. So dito nandito yung account, yung ating account, yung preferences, yung audience visibility. So dito tayo, audience and visibility. So click natin tong how people find and contact you. So press nyo yan. And then, makikita nyo dito, nandito yung who can send you friend request, who can see your friend list, who can look you up using this email address you provided, who can look you up using the phone number you provided, and do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? So, syempre, wala yung kinalaman. Yung apat na to, walang kinalaman yan. So, dito lang tayo sa who can send you friend request. So, click nyo to. So, as you can see, guys, makikita nyo is naka-everyone yung aking who can send you friend request. So, ngayon, kiklik natin tong friends of friends. So, click natin yan. And then, back natin. At titignan natin sa ating profile kung effective nga ba itong ginawa natin. So, let's go back. Back. So, back pa. Back pa natin. And then, back. So, andito tayo sa ating profile. So, pindutin ulit natin itong 3 layers. And then, view as. Click natin itong view as. So, ngayon, naka-follow na lang siya, guys. So, effective yung ginawa nating procedure on how to change this into follow. So, exit view na natin siya. Then back. So, ayan. So, ngayon, syempre, gusto nyong ibalik din ulit yun sa dati. So, pindutin ulit natin itong 3 dots. So, ganun lang siya, guys. Uulitin lang natin yun. So, punta lang ulit tayo doon. So, click natin itong 3 layer. And then, view, privacy shortcuts. And then, see more privacy settings. And then, baba. Sa audience and visibility tayo. Then, how people find and contact you. And then, who can send you friend request, press natin to. And, kung gusto nyo naman na ibalik ulit sa public or add friends or add to story, ganun. So, click nyo yung everyone ulit. So, ayan. So, naklik na yan. Back ulit natin. Back. So, back. So, press natin tong view as. So, ayan. Add friend na ulit. Diba? Ganun lang kadali, guys. So, ganun lang kadali ang iset ng follow or add friend. So, that's all for today's video, guys. At kung sa tingin nyo ay nakatulong sa inyo itong video na to, please don't hesitate to give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button at isama nyo na rin yung notification bell para always updated kayo sa mga bago nating uploaded na videos. So, thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!